Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of June. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam bag, the OG one, this is a $14 monthly beauty subscription where you get 5 travel try-me size items and a small cosmetics bag. I'm gonna go into my mother-in-law's bag first, and each month I like to see and compare both bags, her bag and my bag, to see if they're actually listening and do our profiles actually matter. Her profile is set to light skin, light hair, light eyes. She is semi-comfortable with makeup, but she has a preference for makeup over skin. And every month you'll have your little theme card. June 2024 is sunny days ahead. This month we're delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. And if you're in a very hot, humid climate like we are here where it's 99 degrees today, you're glowing. I'm just instantly glowing, y'all. Naturally glowing. Here is the bag for the month. I do think that it's cool, but not my favorite. I don't like the texture of it, but it is cute and I like the design. Already I am seeing some stuff in bubble wrap, which is a great thing, and we know that that is makeup heavy, so hey. This is the Formula Z Glam Gasm Face and Eye Palette. I am not going to open this. It is not mine. But any type of palette, any type of eyeshadow, makeup, she's gonna love it. Next up, she has the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. She also loves foundation, and this is one of my all-time favorites. And this is the shade Light 1. She will definitely love this. Next up, she has the Benefits, the Plush Tint, Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint, and her shade is Purr. So we are already 3 makeup items. She's gonna be thrilled. Next up, she has the Balance Me, the Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. And then last up for her bag is the Fab or First Aid Beauty, the Brighten and Glow Moisturizer with vitamin C for sensitive skin. So I feel like a 3-2 ratio, 2 skincare, and then the palette, the foundation, and then the lip tint. She's gonna love this. Also, we like to just kind of have a little game around here. Comment before I even open up my bag. Comment if you think I'm gonna have the better bag or if she's gonna have the better bag. And then next up is my bag. My bag is a little bit bigger this month because I did do some add-ons, like some of the 350 add-ons. And my profile is, I have light to medium skin. I have, well, usually have dark hair. Dark hair, dark eyes. I am very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So we're gonna see if they got it right this month. And then I'll also show you my few add-ons that I got. So here is my actual bag. I just also wanna note too, I love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. Okay, of course it's the same bag, same theming. And I'm actually kind of seeing a lot of repeats in my own bag. I also got the Formula Z Glam Gasm palette. And because this one is mine, I will open it and show it to y'all. All right, it feels pretty cheap. Most likely I will not use this. But of course I have plenty of beauties in my life who are also makeup and beauty lovers. So I can share it, I can pass it along, I can gift it, things like that. If you're into something kind of very soft, natural, neutral, then I think that you would like it. I kind of wish that as pretty as the outer packaging is, that the inside kind of reflected that. I feel like they don't really match together. Next up, I also got the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. I will for sure use that. Next up, I got the JLo Beauty That JLo Glow Serum. Next, I got one of these in my PR. Actually, it's the mascara I'm wearing today. And I've had this makeup on for hours and hours and hours, and it, you know, I'm sweating, y'all. It's hot as hell here today. This is fabulous. But it's the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. So if you get this and you've never tried it and you're like, nah, I don't really need it, please try it. It's so good. And then last, I have no effing clue what this is. Dear Midnight Atelier. I have no idea. And I'll put it right here because I do not think I'm going to be able to read this. A color something lip balm, which I also will love. So mine was pretty even like hers was. I got the couple skincare products, a lip balm, my mascara, and my palette. I actually think both are even. I'm honestly going to give both bags a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I think both are fantastic. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. And then I'm going to go into my few little bit of add-ons. First up, I got 3 different shades of the Yensa Super Serum Silk Foundation. I got medium 2. I also got light medium 1, and I also got tan 1. Again, this is one of my all-time favorite foundations ever, ever, ever. This and the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation are my top, like they're my top foundations, period, of all time. So to get these for $3.50, and I go up and down so many different shades during the summertime, you guys, so I wanted to stock up on these. I love this foundation. And then I also got a couple of the Benefit the Plush Tint Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint, and I got Quilty Pleasure and Cream Puff. And because these are mine, I will actually show them to y'all. Also, I'm sorry about the perspiration, y'all. It is hot as hell, and I'm trying to cook dinner at the same time. This leads me to a question, y'all. Please comment down below. What do you cook during the summertime? And I'm letting you guys know I'm filming at, it's almost 6 p.m.-ish. And you guys can see how much light is coming through. I'm literally standing in front of my window. But it gets so incredibly hot because the sun is on this side of the house going into my kitchen window. Y'all, what the hell do you cook in the summertime when you live in a muggy climate and it gets hot as heck in your kitchen? Please comment down below. I do have an air fryer. I do have an Instapot. Just let me know, okay? Look, your girl is on the struggle bus today cooking. Anyways, Benefit Plush Tint. That's so freaking cute. This one is the Quilty Pleasure. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this one on. I don't have a mirror, I'm sorry. Oh, that feels so nice. The texture of a lip tint is why I'm a fan of lip tints. That nice, thin, slippy, kind of serum-esque quality to it. They feel nice and cooling. They last a long time. That is beautiful. I'm excited about that. And I did want to get these because tints last a long time. And again, it's hot. And then this one is the Cream Puff. Oh my gosh, another me color. That looks so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. So those are the Ipsy versus Ipsy, and then the few add-ons that I got for the month. Again, comment down below. Let me know which bag won. What did you get in your bag? Are either of us your bag twins? I would like to know. Let's have that conversation down below. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and join my beauty family. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your best beautiful. Bye, beauties.